What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. I've got another fragrance haul, and this time it's from Bharara. I hope I pronounced it correctly, but let's get cracking. So first off, I've got Viking Dubai, and then I've got Viking Cairo. Now, these two fragrances on their website go well above $300 if I'm not mistaken, but I got it off Joma Shop for a very good price. I think it was below $65 each. So let's find out what are all these about, and I'm gonna talk to you about my first impression, unboxing, and just so you know, if these are clones of any other fragrances, I'm not interested to compare them to the OG. So let's get cracking. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I will be doing a giveaway, and you don't want to miss that opportunity, right? So I'm taking off with Dubai first. The boxes look very premium, like even the feel and touch is like very premium. The print quality and everything, it's very nice. Right off the bat, it opens up like this. Wow. Look at that. Very nice presentation, and they give you this tiny little card how to use that tiny atomizer. Impressive. Like, for that price point, I wouldn't pay full retail for this, because if you can always avail it for below $65, why waste $300 for this? So you've got like a tiny travel atomizer, and you just pump it in through the back side. I don't need it right now, so let's talk about the presentation. Look at this. It's a beautiful golden green presentation, velvet stuff. Really nice. Really nice. The bottle feels very premium, I must say. Like, totally worth the money. And look at this, like a Viking helmet, headgear. Bam. Look at this. Oh, wow. This thing, I'm gonna navigate the world with this. Woo! Jokes aside. All right. So, wow, the cap sits pretty tight. This is the bottle. Not too basic. It's very nice, I must say. It's a very deep green, just like the box that you saw. That's your headgear. And just so you know, this is not some plastic headgear, you know, like this is not a plastic cap. This is fully metal. So let's go ahead and use my handy dandy tester strip, and then I'm gonna spray on skin. Wow, shoots quite a lot of juice. Beautiful. The opening is very zesty, warm, almost effervescent. Very appealing, very juicy, succulent. There's a beautiful, like, it's almost mouth-watering. Beautiful opening. I'll just read the notes very quickly so that you get an idea. On the top, you've got ginger, Italian bergamot, and orange. On the mids, you've got cashmere wood, magnolia, tonka bean, and violet. And the base, you've got ambergris, ambroxan. Of course, I do smell the ambroxan up front, patchouli, and white musk. So there's this very beautiful, clean vibe to it. Like, lovely stuff. Like, has that spicy kind of undertone, which I believe is coming from, like, it's not your fruity bergamot. It's like a bit on the bitter side, but it's very tiny. Some sweetness coming through. Let me do it on skin. So I'll be doing Bharara Dubai, Viking Dubai on my left hand. See how much juice it sprayed out. Wonderful. This was a win. I don't know about the longevity. I'll be talking about that in my full review, but of course, I mean, I can tell it's potent. It's more like airy, warm, and it's gonna last. I have a feeling it's gonna last. Beautiful stuff. Really beautiful. Loved this one. Awesome stuff. But don't pay full retail. So, you heard that click? It's like solid Viking stuff. Valhalla. Right. That was Viking Dubai. Now we're gonna try Viking Cairo. Let's see what this one is all about. All right. So this one, again, premium stuff. Like, it just feels so good in your hands. Like, beautiful. Wow. Again, of course, you get the card. I don't need that. Well, Got the travel atomizer. Of course, this one's the black one. The other one was green. Beautiful stuff. I mean, wow. Really great. So unlike Viking Dubai, which is a shiny glass, green glass bottle, this one, Viking Cairo, and as you can see the name is written on the side over here also. This one's like matte finish, like this is matte black, as you can see. And of course, I would be really careful about one thing, like the bottom is not too flattened out, so you might don't wanna roll it on the side, so be careful. And of course, and this is like freaking smooth, like it's not even like some cheap. Man, this thing is like smooth. Look at the thing roll. I'm enjoying this already. So I'm gonna take again metal cap. I'm gonna use another fresh tester strip. See how much juice it sprays out. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Barely do I get that reaction out of myself. Few fragrances did that with me. These two are one. I mean, few ones. It almost feels like a very refreshing, almost like a peppermint kind of vibe coming through. Beautiful citruses. It's not that fruity citrus. I wouldn't say it's phenomenal, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like it's very standard. Like you can wear it everywhere. Both these fragrances are definitely office safe. I can tell right away. Let me just smell Dubai. Yeah, this thing's changing now. I'm getting more of the orange. And Cairo. Wow. Let me go on skin now. So I'm doing Cairo on my right hand. Look at the juice, amount of juice. Look at that. That's just 3 sprays. Beautiful, light, airy. Let me quickly read out the notes for you so that it's easier for you to understand, grasp a little. So on the top, this is Cairo, Viking Cairo. On the top, you've got bergamot, sweet orange, lemon, grapefruit, and ginger. Lots of citrus and warm, effervescent ginger. You can tell right away both these fragrances have that effervescent quality. But this one, Cairo, has it a bit more. So this one's like a bit more effervescent. So the presence of ginger is a bit more amped here. It's very airy. Like it's not like super noticeable, but it's right there. It's like a fleeting scent, which I will prefer on a very warm, humid day. So on the top, you've got bergamot, sweet orange, lemon, grapefruit, and ginger. Mids, you've got cashmere wood, white magnolia, violet, tonka bean. And on the base, you've got ambergris, patchouli, berry, I don't know what that is, and white musk. So it's almost similar to the other one, Dubai, almost similar. But the thing is, they smell very different. Like, quality-wise, it's definitely up there. Yeah, now it's opening up. Like Cairo is opening up. It takes a while to open up, I guess. Lovely. And just look at that. Just 3 sprays, right? This was also 3 or 4 sprays. Just look at that. I don't know how much the phone camera is doing justice to this thing, but you can tell, man, this things are really nice. Do I recommend them? I mean, if you can shell out $65 each, it's below $65, of course. Joma Shop has them on sale. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. It's not going to cost an arm and a leg. I mean, the quality is up there, man. It smells very, very nice. I mean, Cairo does not smell too authentic. Feels something's there. I mean, it kind of like tends, kind of like borderline generic and good high quality designer, but very nice. I mean, it'll stand out. It'll stand out in the crowd. Dubai is coming up a bit more sweeter now. And it's subtle, very nice. So guys, that was my unboxing and first impression of Bharara Dubai, Viking Dubai, and Viking Cairo. Now, of course, if you will go on YouTube and search for reviews of this, you will only find my Latino amigos out there who are doing reviews of this. So I thought somebody's got to do it in English. the proper way. So let's take this to the next level. I will be giving you my honest and humble thoughts about these two in my full review after I have used them several times, like several full wearings. I'll wear it outside, I'll wear it to the office, to the grocery store, whatever, man. But I will do full wearings of this, and only then I'm gonna give you my full and honest review about this. Until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe because I might be doing a giveaway very soon. Support honest YouTube reviewers like myself right here. Guys, I really appreciate all your humble support and comments, likes, whatever, man. Any feedback is always welcome on my channel. So until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.